Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy and paste in Google Sheets. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the basic process of copying and pasting data inside a Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is one of the most useful shortcuts to learn, especially if you want to move information quickly without retyping anything by hand. To begin, open the Google Sheets file shown on your screen. Once the spreadsheet is open, take a moment to locate the sample data you want to work with. In Google Sheets, data is organized into cells, and copying works best when you first clearly select the exact cell or range of cells you want to duplicate. Next, select the sample data. You can do this by clicking on a cell or by clicking and dragging across multiple cells if you want to copy a larger section. As you select the data, you should see the highlighted area outlined in the sheet. This highlight confirms that Google Sheets knows which information you want to copy. If you accidentally select the wrong cells, just click away and try again before moving on. Once your data is selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. This places the selected content into your clipboard, which is a temporary holding space your computer uses for copied information. After that, press Ctrl and V to paste it. When you paste, Google Sheets inserts the copied data into the target area, making it easy to duplicate values, text, or other content in just a few seconds. A helpful tip here is to make sure the cell where you paste has enough open space for the copied data. If you're copying multiple cells, Google Sheets will paste them into a matching layout, starting from the cell you choose. If there's already content in the destination area, the pasted information may replace it, so it's always a good idea to double-check before pasting. And that's all there is to it. Open the spreadsheet, select your sample data, then use Ctrl and C, followed by Ctrl and V, to copy and paste. Once you get comfortable with this simple shortcut, working in Google Sheets becomes much faster and more efficient for everyday tasks. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you copy and paste confidently in Google Sheets.